This is always exciting. My spoon flower delivery. These are some new designs. I cannot wait to see them coming to the stage. Oh, let me see what I got in here. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah, here it is. Spoon flower. Here's our Art Decos pieces. And I get them in quarters. So as you can see, here's a panel right here. Then it repeats itself. So you get 4 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are so nice. That's that one. Okay. And then I did some more Art Decos. Kind of same concept, but they're different ladies. They are beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. My Art Deco ladies. And these measure, let me get my ruler. I like 6. Okay. 6 inches, 6 inches. So you can kind of see. Okay, got those. And got my sewing machine ladies. And these are the same concept. 6 inches. He's cute. Oh, this is exciting. My new little ladies in their sewing machines. And all these will be on my website. And I like how they put your name there. DorisDesignz. Copywritten. Okay. And once I started making ladies sewing, I couldn't stop. So I made more. In their sewing rooms. I wish I had a sewing room so neat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I had to go vintage. My favorite. I got some vintage ladies. One, two, three, 4. And then they repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a fat quarter is you'll get 3 and 3. Or is it 4 and 4? Yeah, sorry. You'll get 4 and 4 panels. That's what I call my fat quarters. And these are my stables. These are my stables. And what I'm going to do is reduce these down. There go my 4 ladies. And she's in her. And make them for, see how they do in my tissue box covers. But these right here are just my embellishment. Now I got to fold these all up. And these are my samples, so I think I'm going to order more. I'm very happy with them. So please, DorisDesignz.com fabric panels. Thank you.